folder once again. So today's question is to solve convert Java code to Python. So let's look into Java code. So the first step, they have declared the scanner, then they have declared the num set of a tree set. So let us declare the same num set equal to yes set. Actually the num set will be maintaining the insertion order in the same way. So we're going to next step. Next, arrays.string. It is used to convert a particular sequence of values to an array. So let us implement that. First step, they are scanning a particular line, then they are trimming it, then they are going to split the space, then they are going to map with integer, which is the convert. They are going to convert string values to map them into integers. Then they're going to convert to list. So let us do the same thing, which is a num list equal to, first they are getting a line of input, so input dot trim, in Python it is strip. They're going to split the space, yes, split. They're going to map with the integer, then we can apply that to map of integer. Then they are finally converted to list. Then we can also convert in Python. Yes guys, we have done it. Finally, they have added the list to a set. Num set dot add num list. But the thing is, they had done until there has an input. So let us also try that. While true, so going to scan, please try. CPT exception, break. So finally going to print them in a for loop. Item in num set. So going to print that. Yes guys, this is a program which they asked to solve in daily challenge. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe to Computer Guru and meet you again with another video.